Here's how you can install a Shopify theme by using a zip file. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install a Shopify theme by using a zip file. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and it's a step-by-step method. So make sure you watch each and every step carefully to know how you can add a Shopify theme using a zip file. So as you can see, I'm here in the Shopify's main dashboard, and I'm gonna exactly show you how you can add it. So first of all, you have to confirm that you have the zip file. So how do you get zip files? So there are multiple websites that offer you zip files that are purchasable or free. So let's just check them out and see which ones are good or not. So I'm just gonna type in Shopify themes and see what we get. So as you can see, there are Shopify's own website, and here you get Theme Frost. So I've heard that's the best Shopify theme templates, a place that you could get. So as you can see, there are themes that are selling for $47 and more expensive themes too. But you could find some free themes, not here, but people mostly sell the themes. But good for me that I found one theme that was really cheap and good, and I bought it. So let's just use my theme. I already have purchased my theme, so I don't need to find a theme and purchase it, because it will take a lot of time. We don't want to waste any time. So I already have a theme. But yeah, once I have explained that, how does it work? So like once you have like a theme and you buy it and it's a zip file, you'll get the theme in a zip file. But you're wondering how you can install the theme now. So this video is basically for this purpose. So yeah, once you get your theme, so just go to Shopify here, as you all can see. Now, right now, I'm currently running, let me show you my theme. I'm currently running Dawn, but you could basically add your favorite theme however you like. So let's just add our theme and check it out how it works. Is it actually good? Is it actually legit? So do zip file themes actually work? So let's just find out in this video. So first of all, let's just press on add theme. So this is your first step. In the theme library, just press add theme, and as you can see, you get three options right over here. So the first one is visit theme store, second one is upload zip file, and the third one is connect from GitHub. So just press on upload zip file, and here, as you can see, it's telling me to upload a .zip file of your Shopify theme. Uploaded themes will be unpublished by the default. Alright, so maximum file should be 50 MBs. So just press on add file, and as you can see, I already have a theme. It's called EV_gems ornament. So I'm just gonna press it and press open, and as you can see, it's the theme and it recognizes it. Press upload file, and as you can see, it's loading. Let's just wait until our theme is fully loaded up. And as you can see, it's the theme uploaded and it's installing the theme for us. So let's just wait how it goes through. So yeah, keep in mind, guys, that installing a theme could take a minute or two. But yeah, in my case, it almost took like 30 seconds. But as you can see, it added the theme for me, and it says just added, and it's saying jewelry version. So what you have to do for using the theme, just splash publish, and as you can see, this will replace your current theme Dawn. I'm down for it. I'm just gonna place publish, and theme published. As you can see, I'm currently using a zip file theme, and that's basically the thing for how you can use other themes too. So as you can see, and it's looking pretty good. As you can see, I can add more pictures, and I can like do a lot of customizations right over here. So let's just check out the theme and how it is, and how we can simply just get it. So as you can see down here, let's just start from the downside, from the footer side. So here, as you can see, people can enter their email and their new settlers, and you got categories information. So keep in mind, guys, that you can change every single detail of it, and you could like do better with it. So it's not like any other theme, and yeah, you could do it to any theme. And as you can see, they've done a pretty great job, and you can put the pictures and your collections name and stuff like that. So let's just check out their product section and see how it looks. And as you can see, I have made a product, but it has no picture. But yeah, this is how the product section looks like. I think it's very clean looking and nice, tidy. And you could share the product and add and buy the product, and it has the star rating too. But obviously, you can do customization with it too, however you like. And let's check the mobile view. And yeah, mobile view is also looking great. Now let's just go to the collection side and check out default collection. And as you can see, as well, remember I only have one item slash product, so yeah, it's only showing one product. But here, if you have like multiple stuff, it will show all the other different. So let's go to collection list, and in the home page, as well can see, I don't have any collection list page, but it's showing home page. But yeah, again, you can do all the customization and stuff like that. Now let's just go to pages and check out the pages work. So as you can see, I got like pages about just contact and MK FAQ. Let's just check our default page, and this is how our default page is gonna look like. So I think it's pretty neat looking, and keep in mind, guys, this is for like jewelry shops and stuff like that, but you can customize the theme however you like. So let's just check out blogs. So in here, yeah, I think that was for this it. So you can though change the blog post. So let's just straight go to cart and check out the cart section. And as you can see, it's pretty clean and tidy. It's just showing your cart. Your cart is currently empty. Continue shopping, and let's just go check out checkout. So yeah, this is how your checkout will basically look like. And as you can see, it will ask for contact and stuff like that. All the important stuff. In the end, payment. This store can't accept payments because I haven't added any payments. But yeah, once you add the payment, it will show all the payment methods. So yeah, and let's just check it out on our mobile view. Yeah, it's already looking pretty cool and classy looking. I really like it, and I'm really into it. And as you can see, the mobile view is very great, guys, and trust me. And you can pretty much check out the header, and as you can see, you can change the color, background color, the text color, and you can put in a text link and change the free shipping on orders over $100. You can change the announcement text, and you can change the logo image and stuff like that. You can put in custom logo width and shipping text. So that was for the header side, and you can obviously add drop down images. So now let's just check out the template. So as you can see in the slideshow, you can image slide, and as you can see, this is the image slide area, and you can add change sliders. And let's just press 3 seconds, and it will change the slide every 3 seconds now. And it's up to me how much I want. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good. It's changing the slides every time. And obviously, you can add your own slides to it too and change it. So section height, you can change it medium, small, or large. Small was looking good. Then you got collections, then image, text overlay, and stuff like that. And then Instagram, you can obviously Insta pics for Instagram feeds. So you have to install the Instagram app for the stuff like that. And in the end, you got footer, and that's basically the new seller, stuff like that. And as I told you earlier, that you could change every single detail of it. So yeah, that was it on how you can use a Shopify theme using a zip file. And that was it for this video, and I hope I helped you guys out. So peace out until then, and goodbye.